Hello everyone, welcome to RJ Learning Fun. Here, learning is always fun. Pre-A1 starters, reading and writing, part 4, 5 questions. Read this. Choose a word from the box. This is the box from where you have to choose the correct word. Write the correct word next to numbers 1 to 5. There is one example. Topic: lizards. Lots of lizards are very small animals. This is an example, but some are really big. Many lizards are green, grey or yellow. Some like eating dash. Some like eating spiders. spiders. And some like eating fruit. A lizard can run on its four legs. legs. And it has a long tail. tail. Long tail at the end of its body. Many lizards live in trees. 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 But at the beach, you can find some lizards on the sand. Sand. Lizards love sleeping in the sun. Now let's do this activity once again with Tashi.
So Tashi, this is reading test part 4. There are 5 questions. Read this. Choose a word from the box. Write the correct word next to the number 1 to 5. There is one example.
So Tashi, in this box, 8 pictures with words are given. First, read the pictures.
Animal, tail, balloon, trees, legs, spiders, teacher, sand.
So out of these 8 pictures, you have to choose the correct 5 words and fill in this paragraph.
So just read the paragraph and fill the correct answer. First one is an example. So animals is already written here. Read.
Lots of lizards are very small, but some are really big.
So lots of lizards are very small animals, but some are really big.
Many lizards are green, grey or yellow. Some like eating one dash and some like eating fruit. Spider. A lizard can run on its four to dash and it has a long.
Yes, a lizard can run on its 4
Legs.
legs. So number 2 is legs.
Dash at the end of its body. Tail.
Good. And it has a long
Tail.
tail.
Many lizards live in 4 dash, but at the beach you can find some dash.
Many lizards live in
Dash. Trees, sand, teacher and balloon.
So can balloon come in number 4?
No.
Can teacher come in balloon 4?
No.
So we have 2 options left, trees and sand. So one will be tree and one will be sand. So decide where the tree will come and where the sand will come. First what will come?
Trees.
Very good. Because we find sand at the beach.
Beach.
Thank you, sister.